Today, this video is going to be about Lewisa. Lewisa was named after American explorer Meriwether Lewis. And it's a thick-leaved perennial, hardy in zones 5 through 8. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil. It's ideal for rock gardens. And it is happy in poor soil just as long as it's well drained and in full sun. You can improve your soil with small gravel or sand before planting. Today we're planting this in a soil that has been improved with quite a bit of gravel. And otherwise it's a good soil with a lot of organic matter. But a good way to do that is to plant it just a little bit above the crown and then fill in that area between the top of the soil and the crown with gravel. The crown must be kept out of standing water or it will just rot. So that's why it's really best just to put the crown in just straight gravel. The crown of the plant is just the area right below the leaves. Notice how it's got those nice, thick, succulent leaves. So you can even put your hand underneath of the leaves and hold them up and push the gravel in around them. And see how I'm holding it up in the ground so that the crown is not down in it needs to be in the gravel. So just break up the clumps of dirt, put some gravel in on top of it. Just keep the most important thing is to keep the crown in gravel. And right here where this plant is being planted is in full sun. This location here gets afternoon sun. Right beside the porch swing. Well, the swing out in front. I'm just scooping gravel up in around it. So just set it a little bit above ground level and fill it in with gravel around it. The most important thing is full sun and well-drained soil. And do that and it'll be happy and grow really nice. There you go.